Hey y'all, it's Katrina with Pate-Meadows out on the porch, and finally the weather has warmed up enough to be out here, and I've come up with a lot of projects for y'all this year. But I thought, what a better time to have my whole family here and do a little project for our meal. When I was in Philadelphia with Abby on a field trip not too long ago, I went to this little market and I just stumbled on this little French linen place. It's called Contessa's French Linens, and it's in Philadelphia. And she had these cute little bread baskets. These are called French bread baskets. And the French are known for their bread, and you know, they love to dip it in the olive oil, and so do we. Our family loves to eat the sourdough bread and everything. And I was looking at these and how simple they would be to make, especially with our Pate maker that we sell on the website. So they have this little stiff plastic that are inside of them, and you can throw them in the washer. So I got busy trying to find something to go inside of this one that I made just out of scrap fabric. And I came up with this cake box. It's out of this clear plastic, and I just cut the pieces and inserted them. I've got the instructions for these on the website, but another good thing to use would be these plastic folders. They're easily cut up, and even this one, this is a hardback. This would even be better. These would also be so cute to do for your bridesmaids luncheon and serve their little sandwiches or croissants on these, and then they have something to take with them to remind them of your special occasion. So for more on this project, go to Pate-Meadows.com and look under the tips and techniques, and you'll see how to make the French bread basket using the Pate maker and the Steam-A-Seam too. It's a really easy project, and I know you'll love it for your family dinner too.